One major aspect of positive thinking is to remind ourselves to look at that positive side, to look at that beneficial. There is something to benefit us in every situation, in every context, in every picture, anything that's happening. And we can only do that if we remind ourselves. So you have clicked on this video possibly to get more information, to learn about this positive thinking, how this works. That is one step. Another step that we can use to remind ourselves throughout the day would be something called auto-suggestion, something to just remind us that we are in control of our mind. I can tell this thing what to do. I can choose what to focus on. I can choose to focus on how colorful it is outside. I can choose to look at somebody and see the good in them. I can find something good, maybe about their appearance, maybe about their character, maybe about the way that they're walking, anything. The negative thoughts will always be there. We're always going to critique, but the auto-suggestion will always point us in the direction that